Chlorine atom has 17 electrons. 2 is 7. First orbital has 2 electrons. Second orbital 8 electrons. And outer shell has 7 electrons. 7 electrons. For form octet rule need 1 electron. So chlorine increased 1 electron chlorine ion. Chloride ion. Chlorine formed chloride ion. Now sodium plus sodium ion cation and chlorine ion chloride ion formed in sodium chloride. It is a ionic bond. It is a ionic bond. Now covalent bond. Covalent bond. What is covalent bond? It is a sharing system. To create the ionic bond, one cation and one metal decrease 1 electron and non-metal chlorine increase 1 electron and then cation, sodium cation and chloride anion and sodium chloride electrostatic bond. Covalent bond, such carbon has 6 electrons. 1 is 2, 2 and 4. Outer shell, chlorine has first orbital has 2 electrons and 4 electrons. We have to know that carbon have 6 proton plus 6 electron minus. Now, to reduce 4 electron is very tough for carbon. So, carbon just share 1 electron carbon hydrogen bond. 1 electron carbon hydrogen bond. Sorry. Carbon hydrogen bond. 1 electron, just share to make octet rule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 octet. Carbon hydrogen make carbon hydrogen bond. This make CH4 methane. It is covalent bond. It is a system of sharing with hydrogen and carbon bond. This is sharing. In the previous reaction, ionic bond cation, metal atom give electron to reduce electron, and sodium cation, metal reduce electron and cation, non-metal increase electron anion. Then sodium ion and chlorine ion make sodium chloride, and there is a sodium ion and chlorine ion electro at electrovalent bond. It is called ionic bond or electrovalent bond. There is a electrostatic force, and so it is ionic bond and covalent bond. Ionic bond and electrostatic bond, covalent bond. It is a sharing system. Carbon and hydrogen, such. This is sharing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Carbon fulfill outer electron, and hydrogen fulfill 2 electron duet system or octet system fulfill, and then methane created is a covalent bond. Now we're discussing the coordinate covalent bond. What is the coordinate covalent bond? Coordinate covalent bond is nitrogen. Nitrogen have 7 electrons. So 1s2, it is a electron configuration 2p3, 2, 2, 4, 3, 7. So firstly, if nitrogen reaction with hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen. Hydrogen give 1 electron, this hydrogen give 1 electron, this hydrogen give 1 electron, and nitrogen give 1 electron, nitrogen give 1 electron, nitrogen give 1 electron. 1, 2, 3. This 3 electron sharing with 1 hydrogen electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need octet rule. And then there is a 2 electron lone pair electron. These 2 electrons are lone pair electron. And now these 2 electron lone pair electron give the hydrogen, not sharing, ion. It is a coordinate bond and make ammonium NH4 positive vertical molecule atom, and then it's a coordinate bond. And now ammonium ammonium radical reaction with chlorine minus chloride I am Bireshwar. You just now coding Cobol and Bond. And if you like this, my um, lecture, please subscribe me.